Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nancy, a part-time YouTuber with a passion for traveling and staying in hotels. Today is a very special day because we'll be visiting the Capella Sydney Hotel in the rain. Capella Sydney is the 7th hotel in the Capella Hotel Group, which is part of Pontiac Line, owned by the wealthy Queen family from Singapore. Capella Sydney is a historic building made of sandstone, originally built in 1912. The hotel has 192 rooms and takes up an entire block in the city's central business district. Located near Circular Quay, it is close to famous landmarks like the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge, the Art Gallery of New South Wales, and the best designer shops in Sydney.
It's going to be a bit quiet. It's be good for you that there'll be.
Capella Sydney hired make architects to restore and update the sandstone building, which has an Edwardian Baroque style. The building is to be the Department of Education. Lead architect Michel Evans wanted to clearly distinguish between the old and new parts of the building, rather than mimicking the heritage style. All guests staying here can come and enjoy complimentary tea and the signature cocktail available at 5 p.m. daily. Highly recommended. Next up is the room 2. The room is very spacious, providing velvet hangers. And the most special touch is the bath pillow, which is very thoughtful. The bathroom is beautiful. Upon entering the room, you can access the bathroom on the right side, or you can enter through the sliding door from the bedroom side. The hairdryer is a custom Dyson with the Capella logo on the box. However, the drawer for toiletries is not ideally placed, as it is between the bathtub and the sink, making it somewhat inconvenient to use. The minibar is worth mentioning as it includes a separate wine cabinet with high-quality red wine and champagne. Everything in the minibar, except for alcoholic beverages, is complimentary. The welcome gift is a chocolate marshmallow, which tastes really good. Capella also offers an electronic control system with an iPad to control the lights and curtains. However, you cannot control the TV or the floor lamp. The bedding is from Frette, which is of high quality. Breakfast is a mix of buffet and a la carte. The dining environment is very crowded and noisy. The breakfast quality is decent, but the coffee is really ordinary. The gym and pool are on the 6th floor, but we couldn't feel them as they were in use. However, they are very beautiful and I highly recommend visiting them if you stay here. The hotel is exceptional. The service here is the best I have experienced in the dozens, if not hundreds, of hotels I've stayed at in Sydney and across Australia. However, there are still some flaws. Our welcome gifts carte was dirty, and there were blood stains on the curtains in the guest room. Of course, no person or hotel is perfect. This Capella has won my heart. The hotel feels like a museum. The renovations have greatly preserved the original building, and the staff has elevated the service standards of Australian hotels. My love for this hotel has surpassed my affection for the Capella Sydney. This hotel marks the halfway point of the group's big plans, with 7 more hotels set to open by 2025 in cities like Taipei, Yangon in South Korea, Kyoto and Osaka in Japan, the Maldives, Nanjing and Riyadh. Each hotel is uniquely designed to reflect its location. That's it for this video. If you have any recommendations for great hotels, please leave them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.